Hey, check this out. I had some money burning a hole in my pocket. I bought a dash cam. Woo! Why are you out of focus? I love same-day shipping. Yeah. Aoki. Oh, heck yeah. We got us an unboxing. Yeah. Here's an Aoki dash cam. It's $32 on Amazon. Yeah, and here's a cheap 64 gig memory card. Let's zoom us out here. I probably should have brought some. Where's the hell are my keys? Here's the dash cam. It is cheap. Ooh, some foam. Awesome. Just what I've always wanted. Some foam. Oh. Here's the main event. We'll put this off to the side. What else do we get? Some cardboard. This is a suction cup, it looks like. A shoehorn? A permanent sticky mount. I got a hair. A really long cable for power supply. What are these? Oh, these are for sticking the cable along the roof. And the manual. We don't need that. Turns out I'm bad at this unboxing thing. Here's the actual camera.
Alright, so should you buy a cheapo dash cam like I did? Well, I would say yes. Right here, this was $32 on Amazon plus 12 bucks for an SD card, so that is very cheap. And what it's doing is providing a whole lot of peace of mind. If someone hits me and tries to blame it on me, I have evidence. And that's what a dash cam is for. So this particular dash cam, it's an Aoki DRA1, I believe. It has a 1080p sensor. It's a cheapo sensor you can get for about $5 on AliExpress, so you can see where they cut corners there. That sensor records 1080p at 30 frames per second at about 12 megabits per second. It'll also do 720p at 60 FPS, but I haven't tested that yet. The video quality is just fine. I'm going to show a few clips here and there. So this DRA1 films pretty decent video. It's a little bit overexposed in daylight, but you can mess with the exposure. I turned it down 2/3 of a stop and that seemed to fix it, but that also made the nighttime a little bit underexposed. Here's some more footage for you. It has motion detection, has an accelerometer activation function, so if you crash, it'll automatically record that clip, which is good. You could set between 3, 5, or 10-minute recording intervals. I think I set it on 5-minute intervals. What else is there? I don't know. Doesn't have that many features. Then again, it was $32. So for 32 bucks, would I recommend one of these? Heck yeah, I would. It's perfectly acceptable for the price. Blah, blah, blah. I don't know. This is not a seat. It's not my area of expertise. But his review anyway. Also, do you like the new lavalier mic? It's why you can actually hear me in this parking lot. So that's good. Anything else I need to talk about? If I do, we'll do it in post. Post, Zach? Okay.